the pinnacle of German engineering returns. This is the Porsche Mission X. A hypercar born to redefine performance for the new electric era. The mission is clear: to be the fastest road-legal vehicle on the Nürburgring. Standing just 1.2 meters tall, every millimeter is sculpted for maximum velocity.
Design DNA from the 917 meets futuristic LED matrix technology.
At its heart lies a lightweight carbon fiber monocoque for extreme rigidity. The iconic Le Mans doors are a tribute to Porsche's racing heritage. Structural glass is bonded directly to the frame for a seamless look.
A fighter jet-style panoramic dome provides an immersive driving experience. Sustainability meets strength with high-tech recycled carbon fiber components.
Mission X debuts a revolutionary 900-volt high-performance architecture.
The E-Core layout centers the weight, mimicking a mid-engine balance.
Compact high-density motors deliver a staggering 1,500 horsepower.
Advanced liquid cooling ensures consistent power delivery on every lap.
Expect 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in less than 2 seconds.
Every curve is engineered to manipulate the air with surgical precision.
Active Aerodynamics generate more downforce than the 911 GT3 RS. Adaptive front diffusers optimize cooling and create massive suction. The ground effect is utilized to literally suck the car to the pavement.
High-pressure air is extracted from the wheel wells to eliminate lift.
Staggered 20 and 21-inch magnesium wheels reduce unsprung mass.
Porsche ceramic composite brakes provide ultimate deceleration control.
Tires are optimized for the extreme torque of the quad-motor setup. Adaptive dampers react in milliseconds to maintain perfect contact.
Racing technology translated for the most extreme road car ever.
The interior is a fusion of digital tech and classic luxury. A motorsport-inspired yoke provides an unobstructed view of the track.
The HMI is designed to keep the driver informed without distraction.
Co-drivers can monitor lap times and telemetry in real time.
Atmosphere shifts instantly when the car enters attack mode.
Double wishbone suspension design provides surgical steering precision. The 900-volt system allows for charging twice as fast as the Taycan. Charging at peak speeds ensures minimal downtime between track sessions. The rear light bar doubles as a functional aerodynamic edge. Digital mirrors reduce drag and provide a wider field of view. Modular assembly allows for precise weight distribution tuning. Safety is paramount when pushing the limits of physics.
Brake-by-wire technology offers a customizable pedal feel.
airflow is managed internally to cool the high-output electronics.
Rear axle steering enhances agility in tight, technical corners.
The power-to-weight ratio of 1:1 is felt in every turn.
Active cooling management prevents thermal throttling of the battery.
A custom paint finish that emphasizes the sculptural body lines.
At 250 kilometers per hour, downforce exceeds the car's weight.
A name that signals Porsche's intent for the next decade.
Dual front motors provide active torque vectoring for the front wheels.
Silicon carbide technology minimizes energy loss during power conversion.
Underbody aerodynamics are just as critical as the top surfaces.
Advanced sensors provide 360-degree awareness for the driver.
Mechanical grip and aerodynamic downforce work in perfect harmony.
Drivers can fine-tune every aspect of the chassis on the fly.
Mission X pulls cornering forces that rival professional race cars.
Craftsmanship that meets the highest standards of Porsche exclusive.
Reliability in extreme conditions is the hallmark of the Porsche brand.
The sound of the future is a high-frequency electric symphony.
Manufacturing tolerances are measured in microns for aero efficiency.
The E-Core battery is designed for extreme power discharge cycles.
Sacrificing storage for the sake of aerodynamic perfection.
Track-ready features are baked into the fundamental design. A design that looks fast, even when standing perfectly still. Weight saving continues inside with ultra-light seat structures.
Directing cool air precisely to the center of the brake rotors.
High-speed data bus systems allow for instant motor control.
Forged magnesium provides the ultimate strength-to-weight ratio.
Efficiency is optimized through a single-speed, high-performance drive.
Unparalleled visibility allows for perfect apex hunting. Temporary overboost provides maximum power for overtaking.
Managing heat is the key to endurance in high-performance EVs.
Brand identity evolved for a new generation of enthusiasts. Serviceability is maintained through intelligent modular design. Instantaneous torque distribution allows for impossible cornering.
Functional art that serves the purpose of thermal management.
A driver-centric layout where every control is within reach.
The infrastructure is ready for the next level of performance. Testing every component to its absolute breaking point. Seamless interaction between human and machine. Dynamic chassis control ensures stability at 400 kilometers per hour.
The moment of truth for Porsche's most ambitious project.
Mission X isn't just a car, it's the future of the automotive soul. Engineering the impossible. This is Porsche.